Okay, so because multiplication is so much more complicated, I'm going to go ahead and do these ones that normally I just have you do. Okay, so to multiply A times B, first of all, I want to look at what size they are because I would get so excited if maybe this was one of those no solutions. So A is 1, 2, 3 by 2. Okay, so this is a 3 by 2, and B is a 2 by 3. Okay, so these inside numbers match. So that means I do have to do the work. And these outside numbers tell me what size my answer is going to be. So my final answer is going to be a 3 by 3. Okay, sorry, maybe I should have drawn that ahead of time. Okay, so let's see if we can do this in our heads. 2 times 3 is 6. So 6 plus, so 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times a negative 1 is negative 4. Okay, so 6 and a negative 4 make 2. So that's what's going in that box, okay? So now, if you're able to do it, then all you really need to see is this next term, this next column. I'm trying to do it where it's sticky so they don't go all over the place. So now I just need to see this, okay? So 2 times 2 is 4. And then this hand goes over and this hand goes down, and that's plus a negative 12. Negative 12, so that's going to be negative 8. Okay, then this just moves over. I'll look at the next column. Luckily, 2 times 0 is 0. And then 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. So that makes a negative 20 in that box. Okay, so now I'm going to move down. And look at the next row and start over on this matrix. Easy for me to say. Okay, so now I just need to see this first row. So 3 times 3 is 9 plus, move this over and this down, a negative 1. Okay, so that's 8. Okay, then move this over. 3 times 2 is 6. And a negative 3. Oops, negative 3, so that's 3. Now I just need this column. So 0 and negative 5. Okay, now I just need this last row, and I start over on this matrix again. So I come back to the first column. So 4 times 3 is 12. Then negative 2, so that would be 10. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8, plus negative 6, so that would be 2. And this last one, 0, plus negative 10. Okay, now let's see if maybe this one could be a no solution. Well, they're both squares, so it's 2 by 2, and this one's 2 by 2. So that does mean that it will work since they match, and my answer is going to be a 2 by 2. So I know that my final answer will be a 2 by 2. And I'm gonna address this 3CD here in a second. Okay. So let's get the answers. So let's see. So 3 times 0 and 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Okay, then 0 and 12. Okay, then let's do this next one. 0 and 25. Okay, then 0 and negative 30. Okay, that wasn't too bad. All this 3 means is you're going to take, and this entire matrix is multiplied by the scalar, and it's all tripled. So the final answer would be negative 30, 36, 75, and negative 90.